Hello everyone, myself Gaurav Pralhad Raut, B.SC third year. My topic is Numerical Analysis, Finite Differentiations and Interpolation with Equal Interval. Content: Introduction, Factorial Notation, Interpolation, Extrapolation, Theorem. Introduction: The calculus of finite differentiations in its broad meaning deals with the changes that take place in the value of the function, the dependent variable, due to finite changes in the independent variable. Second point is that it is a study of the relation that exists between the values assumed by the function whenever the independent variable changes by finite jumps, whether equal or unequal. Factorial notation: the product of factor of which the first factor is x and successive factor decrease by constant difference is called factorial polynomial or function and is denoted by x raised to the power r factorial, r being a positive integer and is read as x raised to the power r factorial. In general, the interval differentiating in h. In particular, we set x raised to the power r 0 factorial is equal to 1. Factorial function: the function xn defined as follows is called factorial function. Interpolation, extrapolation. Interpolation means insertion or filling up intermediate terms of series. It is the technique estimating the value of a function under certain assumption for any intermediate value of independent variable when the values of the function corresponding to a number of the values of the variable are given. The process of computing the value of a function outside the range of given values of the variable is called extrapolation. Theorem: the n differences of a rational integral function of the nth degree are constant when the values of the independent variable are equal intervals. The theorem is prove that the n difference is therefore constant and all higher differences are 0. That is, the bracket n plus 1th and higher differences of a polynomial of the nth degree are 0. Thank you. Thank you so much.